Welcome to this lesson on C3 plants. C3 photosynthesis is the most fundamental and widespread photosynthetic pathway found in nature. In this video, we'll explore how these plants capture carbon dioxide and convert it into organic compounds through the process of photosynthesis. This pathway serves as the foundation for understanding plant biology and is essential knowledge for anyone studying botany or agriculture. C3 plants represent the most common type of plants on our planet. They make up approximately 85% of all plant species. This means that the vast majority of plants you see around you, from garden vegetables to forest trees, use this photosynthetic pathway. The prevalence of C3 plants demonstrates how successful and adaptable this mechanism has been throughout evolutionary history. Let's look at some familiar examples of C3 plants. Major food crops like rice and wheat are C3 plants, which feed billions of people worldwide. Potato and soybean are also C3 plants that form important parts of our diet. Beyond agriculture, many trees such as oak trees use C3 photosynthesis. Even ornamental plants like sunflowers follow this pathway. These examples show how C3 plants are integral to both natural ecosystems and human agriculture. The name C3 comes from the first stable product formed during carbon fixation. When carbon dioxide is captured by the plant, it is immediately incorporated into a molecule called 3-phosphoglycerate. This molecule contains 3 carbon atoms, which is why we call this the C3 pathway. The number in the name directly refers to the number of carbon atoms in this first stable compound. This naming convention helps scientists distinguish between different photosynthetic pathways. C3 photosynthesis occurs in specific locations within the plant. The process takes place in mesophyll cells, which are the main photosynthetic cells found in leaves. More specifically, within these cells, the reactions occur in the stroma of chloroplasts. The stroma is the fluid-filled space inside the chloroplast where the Calvin cycle operates. This precise cellular organization is crucial for the efficiency of photosynthesis. The star enzyme of C3 photosynthesis is RuBisCO, which stands for ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Despite its complex name, RuBisCO performs a simple but crucial function. It catalyzes carbon fixation. This enzyme is responsible for capturing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and attaching it to an organic molecule. RuBisCO is actually the most abundant enzyme on Earth, reflecting its vital role in sustaining life through photosynthesis. The Calvin cycle, which drives C3 photosynthesis, consists of 3 main phases. First is carbon fixation, where carbon dioxide is captured and attached to an organic molecule. Second is the reduction phase, where the fixed carbon is converted into a usable form using energy from ATP and NADPH. Third is the regeneration of RuBP, or ribulose bisphosphate, which allows the cycle to continue. These 3 steps work together in a continuous cycle to produce sugars from carbon dioxide. Let's examine the carbon fixation reaction more closely. 1 molecule of carbon dioxide combines with 1 molecule of RuBP, which is a 5-carbon sugar. This reaction, catalyzed by RuBisCO, produces 2 molecules of 3PGA, or 3-phosphoglycerate. Notice that 1 carbon dioxide molecule, which has 1 carbon atom, combines with a 5-carbon molecule to create 2 3-carbon molecules. The math works out perfectly. 1 plus 5 equals 6, and 2 times 3 also equals 6 carbons in the products. C3 photosynthesis has both strengths and weaknesses. The main advantage is that C3 plants are highly efficient in cool, moist climates with moderate sunlight. Under these conditions, they thrive and produce abundant biomass. However, there's a significant limitation. In hot, dry conditions, C3 plants suffer from a process called photorespiration. Photorespiration occurs when RuBisCO accidentally binds oxygen instead of carbon dioxide, which reduces photosynthetic efficiency and wastes energy. This is why C3 plants struggle in desert and tropical environments. C3 photosynthesis is the foundation of plant carbon fixation and the most widespread photosynthetic mechanism on Earth. Understanding this pathway is essential for studying plant biology, ecology, and agriculture. The C3 pathway shows us how plants convert atmospheric carbon dioxide into the organic compounds that sustain nearly all life on our planet. As you continue learning about photosynthesis, remember that C3 is the baseline pathway against which other mechanisms, like C4 and CAM photosynthesis, are compared. Thank you for watching this lesson on C3 plants.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.